Modern allopathic medicine begins at the molecular level, within advanced chemical facilities. Modern baby diapers begin with advanced absorbent materials engineered at the molecular level. Precision
Nonsense Nankin are transcription. Superabsorbent polymers are capable of locking in liquid many times their own weight.
Wood pulp sheets are shredded into fine cellulose fibers inside a high-speed hammer mill, forming a fluffy absorbent mass. The outer backsheet prevents leaks while allowing airflow. Microscopic pores balance protection with breathability. Raw materials are transferred into climate-controlled silos, organized by automated inventory systems under bright, sterile lighting. Quality verification begins before production even starts. Every batch must meet strict absorbency and safety standards. Magnetic screening protects machinery and product safety. Even microscopic contaminants are eliminated at this stage. Tension control prevents wrinkles and misalignment. Smooth layering is essential for both comfort and structural stability. Bonding compounds are preheated to exact viscosity. Consistency guarantees uniform attachment across every unit. Air filtration systems circulate purified air across the production hall. Hygiene standards in diaper production rival those of medical facilities. Laser alignment modules scan moving materials, projecting invisible grids to ensure millimeter-perfect placement. All prepared materials pause momentarily at the threshold of the forming section, illuminated under bright inspection lighting as the main production line accelerates. Superabsorbent polymer granules are injected into the fiber matrix through calibrated dispensers, forming a layered composite core. The compressed core moves beneath laser thickness scanners. Laser sensors verify dimensional accuracy in real time.
Its texture is engineered to remain dry, even after absorption.
Plastic placement defines fit and flexibility. Proper tension allows freedom of movement while preventing leaks.
The breathable waterproof backsheet film descends from above, sealing the absorbent core between protective layers.
Heat sealing rollers fuse layered edges together, creating smooth, sealed borders along the diaper frame.
Fastening systems allow adjustable closure. Accuracy guarantees secure attachment with repeated use. Side panel materials are laminated onto the diaper body using synchronized pressure rollers. Side panels add structural reinforcement. High-speed rotary cutters trim final contours, ensuring smooth, symmetrical edges on every unit. Tolts. Each unit passes under infrared density scanners, analyzing internal core distribution beneath the surface. Macro glide flex testing simulates real-world movement. Durability ensures performance during active use.